Flying birds soar gracefully through the vivid hues of a sunset-lit sky, their silhouettes painted against the warm, golden backdrop. The tranquil scene captures the essence of freedom and beauty in nature's magnificent spectacle. As the sun begins its gentle descent, casting a warm, golden glow across the horizon, a flock of birds takes flight, their wings catching the last rays of daylight. They dance and glide effortlessly, creating mesmerizing patterns in the dusky sky. The serene scene is a symbol of freedom and harmony, as the birds embark on their journey against the breathtaking canvas of the setting sun.